Hi, welcome to the Test Ace Preparatory Center. Are you ready to ace the IELTS exam? Join our comprehensive 30-hour IELTS preparatory tutorial designed just for you. You'll get 16 hours of intensive IELTS focused lessons covering all 4 sections of the exam: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Plus, enjoy 16 hours of English language classes to boost your overall proficiency. Every student receives a free textbook packed with practice questions and mock tests to ensure you're fully prepared. And that's not all. You'll also have lifetime access to videos on key IELTS and English language topics so you can learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Here's the best part. Register before August 3rd and get a 30,000 Naira discount. The original price is 150,000 Naira, but you can get it for just 120,000 Naira if you sign up now. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Join us at Test Ace Preparatory Center and give your IELTS preparation the edge it deserves. Contact us at testaceprep@gmail.com, follow us on Instagram at testace_prep, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Test Ace Prep. Let's ace the test together.